Very beautiful bird. It's the first time I'm seeing a bird like this, and its name is Malabar Hornbill. And nearby the blue, yellow, golden macaw is making a lot of noise. Because of this space is too cloudy. This bird's horn looks like it's 3 times. I think there is only one species here. You see, further, it looks like it's having 2 horns below and 2 horns above all the horns. Okay friends, I will see you when it becomes active again. Let's try to picture it again, how it's moving. See, that's the thing. And if you look at these kinds of birds and their movements, they will be moving whenever we are, like about to change them, and also they will be hiding in a way that we couldn't take a clear footage. I think it will be coming down about 10. Again, here maximize the screen so that we won't miss out. Okay friends, it's time to press the thumbs up icon, press the share icon and share this video with your friends and share your valuable comments. And ask your friends to subscribe, like, share and comment on Joel Janji YouTube channel. Joel Janji is signing off from you. Bye.